Hello again, my friends. You're with Tyler West with Franklin West Real Estate. We're looking at a property here in Citrus Heights, practically a stone's throw from one of the houses where I grew up. I know this area very well. It's peaceful. You have all the amenities close by. Some neighborhoods are newer and some are older, but it is one of the few neighborhoods where you can expect to find homes with a little bit of land and acreage available. We're looking at one such property right now with a generous 0.48 acres. We are, it's going to be a small house, just under 1,200 square feet, but it does have a 3-bay garage as well as ADU space on top of the garage, which we'll take a look at. That is purported to be about 1,100 square feet, almost doubling the square footage of the available living space. This home is listed by Debbie Olson with Redfin, and if you want to schedule a preview of your own or a private tour with me, just give me a ring. Let's go take a look at the house now. All right, we are now entering the home. At 1,146 square feet, it is on the smaller side. I believe that it more than makes up for that in the potential for rental income from the 1,100 square foot ADU located above the garage. Hallway, more living areas. The room everyone wants to see, the kitchen. It is a small kitchen, not gonna lie, but it's been renovated beautifully. Looks like some kind of granite countertop, very nice. There's an adjacent utility room with a door to the outside. Got your pantry space. Before we go down the hallway, I wanted to see what's in here. Okay, this nook looks like it could accommodate a little media center or be additional pantry space. I really don't know what that is supposed to be. First of the bedrooms here. It's decent size. I love these wood floors. Nice view at the front. The lighting is good. Here's your closet space with sliding mirrored doors. All right, to the next room. Here's our bathroom. Some kind of simulation tile floor. Combined tub and shower. How much space do you need to do your business? It's very nice for what it is. Okay. At the end of the hallway here, looks like we have 2 more bedrooms. This bedroom is forward facing on the lot. Looks like the closet here incorporates some cool lockers. I kind of like that. What a neat idea. Being a small closet, you kind of have to make up for it in other ways. And let's go check out the final bedroom at the end of the hallway in the house. This bedroom does not have a full closet. It has a little nook that could become a closet. A door to the backyard. And a window facing the stairwell entrance to the ADU. I think we'll go look at that now. You're exiting out the back utility room entrance. This would be a great space to set up some flowers, make it really enticing. What a beautiful day out here in Citrus Heights, California. Property has some fruit trees on it with space to plant your own. Plenty of space for that. Or a pool, if you so desire, could go there. There is some road noise. If you're okay with that, I think that you could set up a fountain or a couple of fountains back here to help mask the sounds. We are on Mariposa, which connects to Old Auburn Road, two kind of main thoroughfares around here. You could probably put a standing shed right there. Make use of that space. This would be the door to the garage. This is a very spacious garage. As I said, I don't see why you couldn't incorporate more livable space out here. Convert one bay into an ADU. Put a connecting hallway back here. Looks like this is one entrance to the ADU. This one would be on the interior. Oh, look, we're going up into the ADU now. This space, although unfinished, is a very generous 1,100 square feet of livable space. It's private and separate from the main residence. I suppose it could be rented out for $1,500 a month, maybe a little bit more in the current market. $1,750 would not be out of the realm of possibility once finished. It does have a finished full bath. It's like tile floors, bathtub and shower. Little sink. I really like the possibilities with this house. Here you can see the finished decking for the ADU. And just in case you wanted to see the stairwell and decking for the ADU, we're gonna go up that side now. Very spacious deck in which to sit, have your coffee. Granted, we are on the second floor for this ADU. It is a little bit warmer up top. An AC would have to be installed to make it really appealing for a potential tenant. Okay, the only place on this property we haven't entered is this side garage. Clearly being used for storage space right now. There's the water heater for the home. You could fit 2 vehicles in here and convert the other garage into entirely livable space if you wanted. Alternatively, you could convert this into an ADU, as it incorporates a small half bathroom. I would recommend using this one as an ADU though, without a shower or place to wash yourself. Here we are on the other side, the other driveway entrance of this corner lot. As you can see, there's another garage. And we see a little view of the rest of the property from right here. I see lots of possibilities back here, and it looks like there may be just enough room to build a pool. Get a load of this awning. This is so nice.